So this is part of Camp Crystal Clear, our virtual outings, and so I hope you enjoy learning about the Arboretum. This is my first time going into it, so it's going to be exciting to look at it. I hope you enjoy my look and my makeup. This is all for you, Penn State, so let's go. We are located here right at one of the entrances. As you can see, it's a pretty big map.
Action.
Let's explore. So we have some white flowers. I wish I had a map. Oh, these are hydrangeas. I knew that. These are wild hydrangeas. I love how a hydrangea smells. They smell beautiful. That is probably the only flower I can recognize right now. All right, so we are at, I really don't know what entrance, but we're at an entrance. It tells you to have maps all over the place. So we just passed by some hydrangeas. There's some I don't know what these are. What are these? Oh, these are seasonal plants. This is really pretty. It's not really that busy here at noon. I think when school starts, it might be, but I think this will be a great place to kind of sit and study. So let's continue on. So welcome to this part. We're right next to the Overlook Pavilion. You can still see those hills over there. You can hear some bells, so very nice, still relaxing, calming, very calming. Oh, so we're gonna learn more about the Ridge and Valley sculpture. So I think this is kind of like a map, but it's cool because it's carved in stone. So yes, you can learn more about the Ridge and Valley sculpture here. So it's pretty cute. And it's just a very beautiful area. You can see these trees. I'm gonna get a photo over here. So you'll see a lot of these lilies back here, which are really pretty. That's all about, so I know hydrangeas, lilies, and sunflowers. It's probably my flower knowledge. Let's see what other places that the Arboretum at Penn State has to offer. The Arboretum is a great place to get photos, especially for graduation, weddings, birthdays, anniversaries. Any celebration that you have would be great here at the Arboretum. Here we have a hedge maple tree. I don't know what that is, but it smells good. They even have restrooms located right next to the office. And if you're parking at the Arboretum, make sure you get your parking pass at the office. You can park for free. Each plant is labeled, so it could tell you. I think there are different gardens. There are about maybe 4 or 5 different gardens with different things in them. Here's some pink hydrangeas this way. I'm lying. These are flowering crabapple, the American masterpiece. And I think that's the strawberry. I'm not entirely sure. This is Romona Learns About Plants. Oh, so it also tells you the gardens right here. So this is the Catherine Bowers Smith Strolling Garden, which makes sense because it's a great place for strolling. Again, this is part of Camp Crystal Queer. We know that you can't be kind of in person at the center, so we're hoping that with these outings, you can learn more about Penn State. There are plenty of hidden gems here in State College that we want you all to know about. State College is a small city, but you know what? There's plenty of things to look at, including this Arboretum. And it's beautiful right now. It is pretty small, but you know, it's great. It's beautiful. I love it. Let's keep going. So I like these flowers. They remind me of, I don't know, me. Ooh, there's gonna be a new pollinator and I can't say pollinator. New pollinator and bird garden. So I don't know when this will be finished, but it looks like it's gonna be great. So this is a weeping willow tree, I'm sure. Actually, it's lying. This is a weeping katsura. Let's do a sad look here. We're sad. Let's continue on. I don't know what that was. Oh, there's a bird. I have a friend that calls birds rats with wings. And I'm not really sure if I agree with that. But
the rats of the sky?
They probably do carry lots of diseases. So this is another one of those chokecherry bushes, but it's a little bigger. This is a great shade spot. Shade is for lounging, not throwing. Remember that. So welcome to Penn State and the Arboretum. And make sure you check out the Center for Sexual and Gender Diversity. I'm Romona Katholic, and thank you for joining us.